CNET, we love helping you get the most out of your gadgets. And this year, you were really into operating systems. Here are the top trends in how-to videos this year. At number 3, iOS 11 and Android. Apple users watch tips on the Notes app and the settings you need to change right away, like customizing that new control center. Want to sink your teeth into Android Oreo? If your phone's ready, we showed you how to install it. Hey Cortana, what's number 2? That's right, it's Windows 10 tips. Even though the operating system came out in 2015, new updates kept you coming back for virtual assistant tricks and this quick and easy shutdown timer. But the number 1 most watched video was on security. The massive Equifax breach exposed personal data of over 140 million people. We showed you how to find out if you were affected. But 2017 wasn't all serious. Here's some fun stuff you might have missed, perfect for holiday DIY projects. It's probably time to clean that grill. And if your kids are using your tablet this holidays, make your iPad kid-friendly. But then there's my personal favorite, DIY slime. And if the mercury climbs, here's how to make your own air conditioner. Thanks for coming to CNET to answer all of your burning tech questions, but make sure to keep coming back for more tips and tricks.